فهل من مدكر. Indeed, we have made the Quran easy for seeking advice. So, is there one to heed to the advice? From Dr. Shahnaz Naeem, Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers and listeners. We will continue to learn some more Arabic words with English translation. Let us start with our new lesson. Al-Qalbu, heart. Al-Ummatu, nation. Al-Wadiyu, valley. Al-Fajiru, liar. As-Sidku, truth. Al-Khalqu, creation. Al-Ghammu, sorrow. Al-Kitabu, book. Al-Zarbu, strike. Al-Amru, matter. Al-Ismu, name. Al-Ghafilu, heedless. Al-Hikmatu, wisdom. Al-Amnu, peace. Al-Azmu, determination. Al-Qadiru, capable. Please give permission to Dr. Shahnaz Naeem till our next lesson. Khuda Hafiz.